Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve financial goals with Betterment, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your financial goals with Betterment, begin by understanding what Betterment is. Betterment is a robo-advisor that helps you manage your investments. Create an account on Betterment's website or app. Provide your personal information, including your income, expenses, and financial goals. Complete the risk assessment questionnaire. This will help Betterment determine your risk tolerance. Based on your responses, Betterment will suggest an investment portfolio tailored to you. Review the suggested portfolio and adjust it if needed. Consider your financial goals, such as retirement, saving for a house, or building wealth. Link your bank account to fund your Betterment account. Start with an initial deposit that aligns with your financial plans. Set up automatic contributions to ensure consistent investing. Decide on a schedule for these contributions, such as weekly or monthly. Monitor your investments regularly via the Betterment dashboard. Betterment provides insights into your financial progress. Utilize their tax loss harvesting feature to minimize your tax liability. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain your desired asset allocation. Take advantage of Betterment's financial planning tools to set specific goals. Evaluate your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your changing life circumstances. Stay informed about market trends and economic factors that could affect your investments. Leverage Betterment's resources, such as articles and webinars, to enhance your financial knowledge. Engage with Betterment's customer support if you have questions or need guidance. Regularly revisit and adjust your financial goals as your life evolves. By following these steps, you can effectively use Betterment to improve your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.